Hey guys, how's it going? It is January 14th, Thursday. It is 4:34 p.m. and the markets are closed. And let's see, let's dive right in. What did I trade today? I traded Space and I traded Riot. I traded, okay, first SPCE turned out to be a loss, but it was a small loss, whatever. It was 11.11% loss. Um, all right, let's see. I'm I'm not super happy with how I traded this, but that's why you trade small and you give yourself extra time in your options so you can afford to make little mistakes. Okay. So I went in at 10:35, which should be here, right? Oh wow. Sorry, 1 second. Where did I go in? Uh, wow. No, sorry, I was looking at Riot. Space. I went in at 10:49. So sorry, guys. Here. I went in at the end of this candle. Sorry, I was looking at my Riot entry. I went in at the end of that candle at 10:49. So pretty much same, like breakout, retest, continuation. Great. Standard pattern for the morning. It was a bit late for the morning, but Space had good news, it had a lot of volume, it was being traded, so I gave it a shot, and it simply didn't work out. It didn't work out. I was aiming for this resistance, and if I had traded this week's calls, which expire tomorrow, I would this would have been 100% loss pretty much. Well, maybe not 100, but it would have been a huge loss. Now, the pattern broke, and I still held it because the long term looked okay. The long term looked okay, and surely enough, around this area, it actually gave me an entry on the hourly signal and on the hourly chart, and amazing, great recovery, right? Now, I let go at the end of the day, 3:59. So at the end of that candle, right? I let go at the end of this candle because even though I have time on these options, they don't expire for until next Friday. If you look at the daily, I mean, we are very far from any sort of support, right? And yes, there's a lot of volume. Yes, there's good news, but if this goes down, if tomorrow this goes down and it wants to retrace this, to retest this, this would have been a big loss, right? By getting out when I did, I took an 11.11% loss, which I will prove on Twitter, and that's fine. That is fine. That's very manageable, really. Remember that my top loss is 25%. I like to take them in the 15% neighborhood. 11% is not a scratch, but it's a tiny loss with options. Great. Now Riot. Um, I traded Riot. When did I get in? Okay, I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. Let's see. I went in at 10:35, which is, was it there? There. At the end of that candle. Again, breakout. There was a support here that I don't have marked, but I had it marked in my other chart. Breakout, retest, continuation. I went in. I could have gone in here when it broke this red candle. I didn't. I was looking for a bit more confirmation, and yeah, it was happening. But of course, you guys know Murphy's Law. Well, I mean, It always happens. You go in and things go against you, right? So this is where I went in, and I I like it so much so that I'm holding it, right? I have next week's call, so I have time for this to work out. And this is related to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes, let me just check really quick. How is Bitcoin currently? Because it was, yeah, well, it has gone down a little bit recently after 3 p.m., but that's fine. Um, when Bitcoin goes, these guys can go, right? And I'm already, hold on one second. Yeah, these calls are already in the money, which means that time decay is not going to affect them as much, right? They're not going to lose value as fast. And if you look at the, all right, so this is where I got him, okay? If you look at the daily, yeah, this is where the support was coming from. We broke that support. We closed above it. There's more volume than yesterday. I think we can test. Oh, look at the. Oh, that is nice. What's happening? Hold on one second. I want to see that. Yeah, I guess it jumped to here. Like I was saying, I think we can test the $30 level, maybe even 31. And yeah, look at that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think we can test that level. So that's what I'm gonna be aiming for. Now, um, let's see. What else did I want to say? SPY. The SPY Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. This is options expiration week. Okay? Pure chop, pure chop. It goes sideways, up, down, and it's just basically where it started the week, right? So it's very hard to find support from the SPY when when you place trades. Today, take a look at this. Look at this. It opened flat, and after what? After like 2:30, it just went down, right? So I'm actually quite proud of the plays that I took, of the trades that I took, because they they did well. They did well. Even if this one was a loss, they did pretty well. Space was a loss. They did pretty well with a SPY that wasn't helping, right? So that also makes me think that if the SPY decides to push up a little bit, RIOT can easily go up, right? If it's pushed up by Bitcoin and the SPY, I think it can do really well. One of the things that I was looking for was Tilray. Tilray is also cryptocurrency related stock, and I was thinking that RIOT was going to follow whatever Tilray did, right? Sympathy play, that's what it's called. Sort of. I mean, on the daily, I actually really like how RIOT closed. I mean, Tilray is a bit extended at this point. It would have been great to trade it today. I didn't. I chose RIOT instead, and well, we're still waiting for the big pop, right? But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I am going to post this video, and I'm going to post my result on Twitter. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Cheers, bye.